Discord friends or server profile picture or logo not loading problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on a device and search for Discord and make sure that you have the latest version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here beside Discord, which means we have the latest version of the Discord application. So we're going to go back and then swipe up the app drawer and then make a long press on Discord. Then tap on app info, and as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it, and then if it's possible, you can delete all data. If it's not, then you can just clear the cache. So I'm okay with deleting all data, so I'm going to tap on OK. Next, tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here by going to each option and giving that access. After giving access to each options, you can just go back and relaunch the Discord application and this might fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.